Hi, congratulations on creating your Meta business account. And now you're going to be creating something called as an ad account. So your Meta business account is, like I showed you in the hierarchy, overlooking all of your entities or assets with Facebook. So ad account is also similar to a Facebook page or an Instagram page, and an ad account is where you run and manage your ads. So we're going to create an ad account for you. So how do we do that? Let's get into it. So once you have created your Meta business account, you should be able to see a business settings tab over here in the bottom left. You click on it, it will take you to this page where you will select on ad accounts. I have quite a few ad accounts already in my business account. So I'm just, for you, what you will see is nothing in that list. What you can do is, you can say create a new ad account uh, and enter the ad account name that you want. I'm just gonna give an example of, so how there is an initial limit of creating number of ad accounts that you can for your business account, uh, but based on your credibility and how you perform with Facebook in the business manager account, where you go on paying them, and you don't have any restrictions or any red flags against your accounts and your ads and your pages. That's how then you get access to create more ad accounts. And why do we create more ad accounts? I'll just explain it to you. So basically, an ad account is fixed to a time zone and a currency, right? You can say this is for India, and if you want to explore other markets, probably US, UK, or even some other markets like Thailand, Bangkok, and for Australia also. So you need to select the time zone and the currency that you will be paying Facebook, right? It's not the currency that you will be receiving in your website, but it's the currency that you will be paying to Facebook. So if you are in India, then you can select the Indian time zone and in your Indian rupee. So basically, this time zone and currency is of the person or the company who's paying to Facebook, right? So you would want to have separate ad accounts for different markets, right? Not for different products, different markets. It will give you individual reports for those ad accounts. As we go down into the module, you'll see how to generate reports. So you will have a much more streamlined way of marketing your brand into different markets, into different countries. Yes, so this is how you create an ad account. You say next, and yeah, this is my business, your business account name that we just created. Then we say create, right? And for now, we're just going to say cancel. And yeah, that's it. You have created your ad account. See you in the next one.